achieve the highest level of security, we prioritize the collaboration between humans and machines to leverage the best of both worlds. We utilize autonomous UAV systems and highly skilled human task forces to monitor and secure the perimeter of industrial facilities, with the benefits of technology and human expertise complementing each other. Together, let's demonstrate what this collaboration can achieve. The Facility Security Commander will collaborate with the UAV team to plan the perimeter air control route. Once established, the UAV will autonomously monitor the area 24/7, while human personnel provide backup support as needed. The UAV uses real-time obstacle avoidance technology to safely navigate its course, without requiring intervention from a human operator. Through its advanced technology, the UAV can autonomously detect intruders, immediately alert the Facility Security Commander, and subsequently track intruders' movements, all without requiring any further human intervention in the control process. By working in collaboration with human personnel, the UAV provides a powerful tool in maintaining facility security. Compared to traditional human guards, our security solution is more reliable and cost-effective, providing 24/7 surveillance and protection over major industrial zones. By working in tandem with our highly skilled human personnel, this advanced technology represents the future of security for important facilities. As a proud member of the Red Hawk Group, we specialize in developing cutting-edge defense and security technologies to create a better and more secure world for the future. For more information, follow us on www.redhawkgroup.com.